Yeah, welcome back. Back on my boat again, and it's been 2 weeks since I last was here, and then I ripped off almost all the interior. The stuff is now under here, and at this tarp I got all the wood thing, the walls and the lockers and that kind of stuff. Also there's the poo tank, and here's the fiberglass plastic stuff that I'm gonna throw away. All of that. Some of the wood I'm gonna use again. That's why they are covered over here. Yeah. Today my plan is to rip off the fabrics out of the walls and maybe cut the rest of the fiberglass plastic stuff from the bow. There's a giant popsicle here. Oh. Yeah, and it's pretty cold here. The temperature is now around -10 degrees Celsius, and well, at night it goes down to -16 or something like that. So yeah, let's climb in. Yep, I'm also testing the new alcohol burner that I bought. Well, I bought it used, but it's new for me. Testing it out gives a quite amount of heat, just to make the working a little bit more comfortable here, because it's freezing cold. Oh wait, this is the situation here, and today our plan is to take all this out. Should be pretty easy. Also from here I have to move the Paris a little bit to get the fabric out of there, and then I might just cut away this last piece of floor over here. I have to see what's down there. I might leave that over there. I'm not able to move these hoses over here because they are solid with ice, so they are not bending anymore, and these are also too frozen to do any job, so I'm gonna leave those there until it gets a little bit warmer so I can work with those. So yeah, a lot of scrapping to do, all this stuff, but not that much because it's a small boat. The heater is working pretty good. I took off all the area where the head was, the toilet. First of all, I thought I would just check how the floor is here, but then I rip off the whole stuff. You can see it over here. Here's there's these kind of things that were kind of support stuff for the wall that was here, but they are empty, as you can see. So I'm gonna cut this off to make more headroom when you're going to the weep berth on this side. On the port side, I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna make a hole over here and make it like a glove box thing, locker for stuff. Okay, so here's the stuff that I ripped out today, along with the fabrics that were on the walls. This stuff now goes down. Most of the cutting is now done, and well, it's gonna be a few weeks until I get the power back on this dry dock, so I can use the heater, the electric heater, to heat up the boat and maybe start doing, yep, some painting or something. I'm gonna be back maybe next weekend, or I'm not sure when it's not this cold as now, so I can use the heater. But yeah, let's continue. It's still the end of February, so a few months until it's gonna be close to the sailing season start. So thanks again for watching, and see you soon on the next one. Bye bye.